Okay, so this is the cover that I got for the M3. It fits really well. It's this cover. Satin Shield BL. Carcover.com is where I got it from. Right, it fits pretty well. You can see it comes all the way up to the edge. It has some clips down here as well that can connect to the other side. But I have it in the garage. There's no wind or anything, so there's no real need for a clip. You can see on this side as well. Right, it comes all the way down to the bottom of the car. There's that clip I was talking about, right? So you can connect both sides. All right, let's go look at the back of the car. Again, fits pretty well. This comes all the way down around, right? So it covers the whole back bumper as well. You can see the exhaust tip just there. Same on the driver's side, right? Comes all the way down, wraps around, which is great. You can see obviously the wheels stick out a little bit. And this is not waterproof, this one. This one I bought because it's in the garage. It's got a nice felt lining on the inside. All right, so you can see that there. All right, nice soft felt lining. And covers the car completely, like you can see here. So again, Satin Shield BL, this is the one I got. It's not waterproof again for indoor use, but it keeps the dust off the car.